Hi, namaste friends. This is Srinivas Sharma. Welcome to Gazette Consultant, our English channel. We have two more language separate channels, that is Hindi and Telugu. If you like to follow those language videos, link is given in the description. You can follow that. As you are aware of from the thumbnail, that surname change process, a step-by-step guide, is the topic for today's video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to change your surname or how to correct or remove your surname from your documents. There may be chances that you would like to adopt a new surname, or you want to remove your surname, you want to adopt a new surname, or if there are any spelling mistakes in Aadhaar card, or education certificates, voter ID card, anything, you want to correct that also. For all this purpose, you have to get this published in Government of India Gazette only. Before I go into details about this topic in this video, I would like to bring your attention that all the websites which I'm going to talk about in this video, the links are given in the description. And number two, my contact details are given in the description. And number three, I would request you to watch this video complete without skipping. And if you like this video, please share with your friends, give a thumbs up to this video. And if you are interested to know more about future documentations, latest updates and news, do consider subscribing my channel and press bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll get a notification. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page. Try to follow that, and also you can follow me on my LinkedIn page. And as a bonus, I'm going to give you a special checklist of documentation. The link is given below. It is a Excel document. You can download that, fill in all your details, and a bird's eye view it will give you if there are any mistakes, any of your documents. So now that I'm talking about the solution. So how to make a Gazette? Because making Gazette is the solution for surname change or surname removal, surname addition, surname editing, everything. So now the first step is affidavit. First of all, you have to get an affidavit done on 100 rupees non-judicial stamp paper. The format of affidavit is also given link in the description. You can download from that the format of the affidavit. After that, you have to visit to the Department of Publication website and download the application form and fill them. Third thing is make a CD. The CD must contain the advertisement matter in Word format, which needs to be sent to department or submitted to the department for publication in the Gazette. Then comes a newspaper advertisement. If you are making any changes or if you are removing or adding your surname, you have to give an advertisement in a newspaper. It should be a national newspaper. That means a newspaper which is published from multiple locations and published in English or Hindi language is called a national newspaper. So in one national newspaper, you have to give advertisement. Of course, there are some YouTubers who are telling two newspapers, but that is false. Government need only one newspaper. So advertisement one newspaper is must. After that, government's payment portal, that is Bharat Kosh, go to that portal and make the fees payment for the Gazette. As on date, for adults it is 1100, for minors it is 1700. But I would request you to go through the website of the department, find the latest fee structure and then pay and download your fees receipt. Now all your documents are ready. That means your affidavit, newspaper, application form, fee receipt and CD is ready. Along with this, you have to attach ID and address proofs. Now your application is ready, submit it to the department. There are two ways to do that. Either you go personally and submit it, because on your behalf nobody else can go and submit it. Department will not accept it. And second option is just sitting at home, send it by post, speed post or registered post, or you can send it by courier. See, every week more than 1,000 people, they get their names published in Government of India Gazette. Not everyone is going to the department to submit it personally. It's not mandatory. They are sending by post, either speed post, registered post or courier. You can also do that. And with our 16 years of experience, we have seen that 95 to 98% people, they send it by post only. So you can also follow that. So once your application is received by the department takes 6 to 8 weeks time to process your application, publish in the Gazette. Gazette is a PDF document. It is uploaded on every Saturday in e-Gazette website. You have to download from that. Once you find your name in the Gazette, you have to print it. Only 3 pages you have to print. First page, last page, and the page where your advertisement is appearing. And these 3 pages collectively called the Surname Change Certificate or Government of India Gazette Certificate. This certificate is valid all over world for changing your surname. Friends, if you would like to take our services for this process, because we have 16 years of experience and more than 11,000 happy clients, and we have 5-star Google rating. So if you want to contact us, my contact details are given in the description. There are various ways to contact me. You can contact me either by email, by WhatsApp message, or by personally calling or booking also. You can make a booking also for a free call, or you can have a VIP call also for phone consultations. Thank you very much for watching this whole video. Do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I will again meet you with a new topic in my forthcoming video. Namaskar and Jai Hind.